Okay, dinner time. Dami naming ulam. We have fried pork ribs, bangus belly in freshly squeezed lemon with lemon pepper coating or topping. The Brazilian beef sirloin in salt and pepper, fried in butter. Got meatballs, unmeat na chicken nuggets, and sausage steak na inubos na ni Aki. Marami kaming ulam kasi sira ang ref, nag-defrost, and after a day, yes, oh my God, nalusaw lahat ang fresh meat. So, napilitang lutuin lahat. Ayun lang. Recording this as a memory.
Oh my God.
Ito, ang sarap nito. Masarap din. Ito din. Ito din. Mga pangbaon dapat ni Aki, pero ayan, niluto na. So, good luck. Ayun lang. End of video.